Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today is June 12th, Saturday, and today we are putting spotlight on 3D printing companies, four of them in ARK portfolio. We'll go over how they have been rising through the ranks or declining through the ranks since January. What is the total market value for all of these four that ARK has, and how many shares do they hold? So stay with me, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back. So in the spotlight today is the 3D printing stocks in our portfolio. We have picked four of them. There could be more, but those are the four I could remember. And let's take a look at the positions that ARK hold for those four. People who have been watching, viewing this channel, watching the videos know that these are the three charts that we look at for Spotlight series. What's the trend of the shares, what's the stock price trend, and what's the market value trend that ARK holds. Then we also take a look at whether they have been rising through the ranks or declining through the ranks through this messy chart. But when we pick one company at a time, this chart becomes extremely useful. So let's get started. We will select Desktop Metal, DM. Let's also select Nano Dimensions. Then third one, Exxon. And then fourth one is 3D Systems. So those are the four 3D printing companies that are in the spotlight today. And let's take them on one by one. These are first, all of them, these are the shares count trend, these are the stock price trend for those four, and this is the market value that ARK holds for them right now. So let's take DDD first, which is 3D Systems. You can see it has been rising through the number of shares have been increasing. I have been recording data since January 1st, so some of these companies, or maybe all of these, have been invested in Desktop Metal and Nano Dimensions from way before January 26th, but other two I'm not sure. So nevertheless, we'll take a look at it from January 26th onward. As you can see, 3D System has been rising through the ranks. Total number of shares they have is 4 million. When I hover over it, you can see it's present in two ETFs, Sprint and ARKQ. The stock price was pretty high at, this is the story of pretty much every stock then though, right? In February, early February, all the stocks were at their peak, and then they started going down. So this highest it had reached was $55.40, and right now it is at $29.30. The market value that ARK holds for this is one of the highest out of these four. Well, not as high as Nano Dimension, but still quite high. This is 0.1 billion. Let's also take a look at the rank. It has been rising through the ranks. So on January 26th, it was 151 rank, and then there were some ups and downs, but generally upward trend. They probably were buying the dips. As we can see here, they've been buying a lot. Rank 78 right now. So this is data up to 6/10. So Friday's data gets uploaded on Sunday night. That's when we do weekly updates. So this is up till Thursday. Now let's take a look at DM, Desktop Metal. Desktop Metal, also from January 26th, as you can see, they have been holding for quite some time, and then recently, May 17th is when they bought more, and they have been holding it. 1.9 million shares. Stock price had reached a max of $33.50 once. Right now it is $12.90. And the market value that they hold is the least among the four. Yeah, it's not even $100,000 right now, mainly because the stock price has gone down so much, right? As you can see. So it's not there in the one decimal place of billion, so it's not 100 million yet. Let's see how has it been doing in the ranking. Started at 153, some ups, mainly holding, and then they bought some more. At that time it increased, and now it is 156 rank. So that's Desktop Metal. Let's take a look at Exxon. So this is some, again, starting at January 26th, they had 1.8 million shares at that point, bought more and more and more, and since then they reduced a little bit, but it's been pretty steady since then. 2.2, ending in 2.2 million. So nevertheless, it's more than what they started with, 1.8 million, ending in 2.2 million shares. Stock price, as you can see, peaked at around $64.50, and now it is just $20.70, so 1/3 the value. The market value that they hold is clearly following this chart, as you can see, because this is pretty flat, and it is not in one decimal point of a billion, hence less than 100 million. And let's see the ranking. Okay, so it started with 122 rank in the portfolio of 260, 66 companies now, and then went up to 86. That's the highest it went when the stock price was really high. Right now, the stock price is 1/3 of it, and the rank has gone down to 128. So that's Exxon for you. It's present in print and ARC-Q. Desktop Metal was present only in print. DD also in print and ARC-Q. Now let's take a look at Nano Dimension, favorite for many people. It's present in 4 ETFs. Very small position in print. They actually had a big position in print recently. They started, but sometime a month ago or so. But then they sold all that as well from print. Very small position left in print. Then it is present in 3 other ETFs as well, as you can see. So let's take a look at it. On January 26th, it was $11.3 million shares they had. It peaked at around 14, at around February 19th or 22nd, 14.2 million, and then went down a bit, bought more and more and more, some 2 or 3 very vertical lines here. So it peaked at around 18.6 million shares, and then they sold a bunch as well. And then right now they are holding 16.1 million shares of Nano Dimension. So among 4 of these, I would say they are very bullish on Nano Dimension. It's present in multiple ETFs. It's also the highest market value that they have among all these 4. Very close to DDD, looks like, right? Yeah, close to DDD, which they have been very bullish on as well. Let's go back to Nano Dimension again. Then stock price, as you can see, at one point was $16.70. And then it's down to $7.70 also right now. In terms of market value, you can see it just follows this graph pretty much. And it's a function of this and this combined, obviously, reaching, so it is $100 million investment there at this point, because the stock price is very less right now. Let's see the ranking. That's interesting too. So they started the year, not started the year, but 26th of January, they were 65 rank, and I know they have been invested in it since it was under $4 for sure. And then they kept on buying more and more and more throughout January, throughout December. But since then, the market has taken a big dive. But this is pretty good company. A lot of cash on the balance sheet. They have made 2 acquisitions already, and they are in line for more as well. So that's their chart. That's how their chart looks like. They're kind of maintaining the ranking in this. Looks like started with 65. Right now it is low to 76. Started as in my data started. I started recording data since then, but it probably started way below, and then they started buying. They bought and bought and bought and raised it up to 65 rank. And the stock price was also going up. But as of now, they're kind of maintaining in terms of ranking of the company. Market value has gone down, obviously, since the stock price went down. So, but nevertheless, most bullish among all 4 is on Nano Dimension. So that's the spotlight episode for you guys. The 4 3D printing companies that ARC is invested in. That was ARC's trends data, along with the ranking. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.